this lesson, we're going to review the fixed formula. The fixed formula is used when you want to modify the value of a cell to remove the decimals or commas. Let's take a look at the formula explanation. So in the formula syntax, we just have three components. As you can see on screen here in rows 19 through 21, it's equal to equals fixed, open parentheses. Then we make reference to a number, decimals, and whether there are commas. So the number is the value or cell which we want to fix. So we're often just going to reference another cell within the formula. The decimals is in relation to the number of decimals that we want to fix. And finally, the no commas part of the syntax refers to whether or not we want commas in the value or not. If we leave this out because it's optional, or if we put in false, it means that there will be a comma. And if we put in true, it means there will not be a comma. So in our example, in the following table down below, we're going to fix the values in the value column based on the details of the required fix column. So we've got initial values, we've got the fixed values, which is the result of us applying our fixed formula. Next to that, we show our fixed formula written out, and the required fix is in column G. So in the first example, we've got a situation where a value is shown as $23,234.23, but it also extends to 5 decimal points. And we want to just have 2 decimal points with a comma. So we write equals fixed, we reference cell D25, and then we type in comma 2. The reason why we type in comma 2 is because we want to show 2 decimal places, and we don't put anything in the formula beyond that, and if we don't, then it's going to show a comma. In the next example, we want to show no decimals with a comma, so in that case, we just reference cell D26, we put comma 0, and the reason why we put comma 0 is because we don't want to show any decimals, and that's the decimal place spot. We also leave the no commas part of the formula blank, and therefore it'll show a comma. In the next formula, we want to show 1 decimal with a comma, so we put in equals fixed, we reference cell D27, comma 1, because we want to show 1 decimal, and we leave the comma in. Next, we show no decimals and no comma, and the way in which we do that is we just reference cell D28, we put 0 for no commas, and then we have to type true in the no commas part of the syntax in order to remove the commas. In the next example, we want to show 2 decimals with no commas, so it's very similar to the last formula that we wrote, except we're going to put 2 for the decimals instead of 1 or 0. And finally, in the last example, we want to show 3 decimals with a comma, and therefore we're going to choose to write equals fixed D30. We're going to put in 3 for the commas, and we're going to put in false under no commas because we want to show the commas. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.